to do is I'm going to do a big rainbow for my body. So this is going to be my polar bear head and my polar bear body. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2 more rainbows to the top, and these are going to be my ears. So rainbow up here, rainbow up here, and then 2 smaller rainbows inside. And we have some polar bear ears. Next, we're going to start working on the face. So I'm going to do a circle, and this is going to be our polar bear snout. I'm going to add another, almost like a triangle shape inside. But instead of it being a very pointy triangle, the corners are kind of curved. All right, now I'm going to do a line down and a smile. All right, we need some rosy cheeks. Maybe our polar bear is very happy and he has some rosy cheeks. So I'm going to draw 2 little circles for my polar bear's rosy cheeks. Almost looks like eyes, but these are his rosy cheeks. All right, now we're ready for the eyes. So I'm going to do 2 bigger circles up here. And then I'm going to add a little highlight inside. Then I'm going to color in the eyes so it's nice and dark. And we have a cute little polar bear. Now we need to give our polar bear a belly. So I'm going to do another rainbow going up under my snout and back down. Up, under my snout, and back down. Okay. Now I'm ready to have some texture. So texture is how something feels. And a polar bear, if I were to touch a polar bear, it would feel maybe furry or fluffy or maybe even rough if the fur got kind of tangled. So I'm going to give my polar bear some texture. So I'm going to add some little lines of fur for my polar bear. Next, I'm going to do some lines on the forehead to show some fur on the forehead. Now, I'm not doing a bunch of lines. I'm kind of spacing them out. All right, our polar bear is done. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to add some color. So I'm going to give my polar bear some pink cheeks so he's nice and rosy. There we go, some rosy cheeks. You could color in the nose pink. I think I'm going to color it in brown, but you could use black. That works too. And then I think I'm going to use red to color the inside of the ears. You don't have to do the inside of the ears red. You could do black or brown. Up to you. All right, the last thing I'm going to add is I'm going to add some snow. So I'm going to take a light blue and I'm going to draw some little snowballs, some little snowflakes coming down from the sky. So I'm going to add some little circles all around my polar bear. You could also do some snowflakes like this where you do an X and a line on top. So X, line on top, X, line on top, X, line on top, X, line on top. And there we go. We have a very cute, very cuddly polar bear. So sorry my video didn't work today, but I can't wait to see your polar bear.